this is how we chat from Ask Communication. I'm again with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install WeChat to your iPhone 13, 13 Pro, 13 Pro Max, whatever version you have. So first of all, you have to unlock your phone. After unlocking our phone, you have to go to App Store. Here we go. Most important thing, if you don't have Apple account, you can't download anything. So you have to have Apple account. If you don't know how to do that, check my video, check the video description to do an Apple account or make an Apple account, whatever. So here, type at the searching option, type WeChat. It's fine. The second one you see, this is from China. You tap here for Face ID. So you see it's loading after putting Face ID. It's telling me now open, so it's done. I'm not gonna open from here. Slide down here, you see WeChat. I hit this one. Okay, hit allow. I don't have any account, so let's make an account. Hit sign up. You can connect with your phone number, you can connect with your Apple ID, also with your Facebook account. With phone number for European and American user, it would be difficult. You will need a user with WeChat to activate that account. So I'm gonna go for Facebook option. Sign up with Facebook, I hit continue. This would be easy, accept all term and condition. I hit the Facebook option, hit continue. Obviously you have to put your Face ID. Let's see, the name and all that information is written. I've read the information and I have to fulfill. Now they're asking me the phone number as well, so let's set one phone number. Here we go. And country I live as it is, I put a password. I hit next button. Now I have to put this one. Here we go. Checked. They're sending me one verification code to my phone number. I hit here. I hit submit. And I have accept policy. Done. Hit done button here. Agree and enable. So many term and condition in this case. WeChat is ready for use contacts. You will see all your contacts here. The moment scan, different option you have. Me, you can put your name, you can change, and chatting option here. So this is how you can install or get WeChat to your iPhone 13, 13 Pro, Pro Max, and also how you can use and set up and make an account with them. That was quite difficult in this case. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. As always, for more information, go to the Ask Communication, www.askcommunication.com. Have a lovely evening. Take care. Till then, bye.